Assalamu alaikum. Hello students. In this video we are going to solve few problems in exercise 1.1 from chapter 1. The first question is find A cross B, A cross A and B cross A. The first subdivision A set is 2 minus 2 3 and B set is 1 minus 4. First we'll find out A cross B. For this we can easily solve using domain and codomain diagram. So this is A, this is B. A we have 2 minus 2 3, B we have 1 minus 4. Take element 2 from set A and pair with all the elements in set B. So 2 comma 1, 2 comma minus 4. Now take element minus 2 from set A and pair with all the elements in set B. So minus 2 comma 1, minus 2 comma minus 4. Now take element 3 from set A and pair with all the elements in set B. So 3 comma 1, 3 comma minus 4. This is A cross B. Now we will find out A cross A. So A set is 2 minus 2 3 and again A set is 2 minus 2 3. So A cross A here answer is take element 2 from set A and pair with all the elements in set A again. So 2 comma 2, 2 comma minus 2, 2 comma 3. Now we'll pair with minus 2, minus 2 comma 2, minus 2 comma minus 2, minus 2 comma 3. Now take element 3 from set A and pair with all the elements in set A. So 3 comma 2, 3 comma minus 2, 3 comma 3. This is A cross A. Now we have to find out B cross A. So B set is 1 comma minus 4. A set is 2 minus 2 3. Now take element 1 from set B and pair with all the elements in set A. So 1 comma 2, this is like this, okay. 1 comma minus 2, 1 comma 3. Now take element minus 4 and pair with all the elements in A. Very simple one. Minus 4 comma 2, minus 4 comma minus 2, minus 4 comma 3. This is for subdivision 1. Here the second subdivision from first question is A is equal to B is equal to P comma Q, which means that A set is also PQ elements and B set is also contains PQ elements. Here we have to find out A cross B, A cross A and B cross A as usual. So first we'll write A set is P comma Q and B set is P comma Q. So A cross B, here take element P from set A and pair with all the elements in set B. So P comma P, P comma Q. Now take element Q, Q comma P, at last Q comma Q. You can directly do like this, or else draw the domain codomain diagram and write it. Now we'll find out A cross A. A and A. Here set A and set B both are equal. So the answer will be the same. So write this as it is. P comma P, P comma Q, Q comma P, Q comma Q. The next one is B cross A. Here also set B and A both are equal. So the answer will remain as it is. So write it P comma P, P comma Q, Q comma P and Q comma Q. Here third subdivision from first question we have A set m n elements, B set is empty set. So A cross B, set A with empty set will be empty set. So A cross A. Here A set is mn. Again A set is mn. First pair with the m element. So m comma m, m comma n. Now take element n and pair with all the elements in the A. So n comma m, n comma n. This is A cross A. Now B cross A. Empty set cross A set will be empty set. Here is the second question from exercise 1.1. Let A set is 1, 2, 3 and B set is x such that x is a prime number less than 10. Find A cross B and B cross A. A set is 1, 2, 3. B set given in roster form. We have to write it in set builder form. So what are the prime numbers less than 10? 1 is neither prime nor composite number. So 2 is the prime number, 3 is the prime number, 4 is a composite number, so 5 is the prime number, 6 composite number, 7 is the prime number, 8 composite number, 9 is also a composite number. So the B set is 2, 3, 5, 7. Now we have to find out A cross B. So take element 1 from set A and pair with all the elements in B. So 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 5, 1 comma 7. Now take element 2 from set A and pair with all the elements in set B. 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 5 and 2 comma 7. Now take element 3 from set A and pair with all the elements in set B. So 3 comma 2, 3 comma 3, 3 comma 5 and 3 comma 7. This is A cross B. Now we'll find out B cross A. Write the B set. B set is 2, 3, 5, 7. Set A is 1, 2, 3. Now take element 2 from set B and pair with all the elements in set A. So 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3. Now take element 3 from set B and pair with all the elements in A. So 3, 1, 3, 2 and 3, 3. Now take element 5 from set B and pair with all the elements in set A. So 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3. Now take element 7 from set B and pair with all the elements in set A. 7, 1, 7, 2 and 7, 3. This is B cross A. Here is a third question from exercise 1.1. Here product of B cross A is given. If B cross A is equal to minus 2, 3, minus 2, 4, 0, 3, 0, 4, 3, 3, 3, 4. Find A and B. We have to write the set A and B. So first of all, B set. Here B is first. So B set is all the elements which appear in first, that are the elements of B. So minus 2, here also minus 2, but you have to write only once in a set. So 0, again 0, no need to write. Here 3, here also 3, so no need to write. This is set B. Now set A. Set A, the elements which appear as second element. Here 3, 4, 3 already we have written, 4 is already we have written, so 3 is also written, 4 is already written. So 3, 4. The question is find A and B. So A is 3, 4 and B set is minus 2, 0, 3. Very simple question. Here is the fourth question from exercise 1.1. If A is 5, 6, B is 4, 5, 6, C is 5, 6, 7, then show that A cross A is equal to B cross B intersection C cross C. I have written what is given: A set, B set, C set. We have to prove that this one. So first LHS. LHS is A cross A. So A set is 5, 6. Again A set is 5, 6. So A cross A is equal to, take 5 first and pair with all the elements in the other set. So 5, 5, 5, 6. Now take 6 element. Now pair with all the elements in the other set. So 6, 5, 6, 6. This is A cross A. Left hand side is over. Take this as equation number 1. Now we'll go on right side. Right side we have B cross B intersection C cross C. First we'll find out B cross B. B set is 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. Now take 4 and pair with all the elements in the other set. So 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6. Now take 5 and pair with all the elements. 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6. Now take element 6 and pair with all the elements in the other set. So 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6. This is B cross B. Now we'll find out C cross C. So C set is 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7. So C cross C is equal to, take element 5 first and pair with all the elements here. So 5 comma 5, 5 comma 6, 5 comma 7. Now take 6, pair with all the elements 6 comma 5, 6 comma 6, 6 comma 7. Now take element 7 and pair with all the elements here 7 comma 5, 7 comma 6, 7 comma 7. This is C cross C, but we need to find out B cross B intersection C cross C. So B cross B is 4 comma 4, 4 comma 5, 4 comma 6, 5 comma 4, 5 comma 5, 5 comma 6, 6 comma 4, 6 comma 5, 6 comma 6 intersection C cross C is, C cross C is this one, 5 comma 5, 5 comma 6, 5 comma 7, 6 comma 5, 6 comma 6, 6 comma 7, 7 comma 5, 7 comma 6, 7 comma 7. Now we have to find out the intersection of these two sets. Intersection means common elements. So we have common elements 4 comma 4 we don't have, 4 comma 5 also we don't have, 4 comma 6 also we don't have, 5 comma 4 also we don't have, 5 comma 5 we have as common, then 5 comma 6, then 6 comma 4 we don't have, 6 comma 5 we have, then 6 comma 6 we have. Take this as equation number 2, right hand side is over. Now see, equation 1 and 2 both are equal, therefore we can say LHS is equal to RHS. Equation 1 and 2 both are equal. I will write it here. 1 and 2 both are equal. So therefore we can say that LHS is equal to RHS, hence verified. Thanks for watching.